Hey guys, so welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I show you how to trade binary options, and I also show the most straightforward and profitable strategies for you. Okay guys, for today's strategy we are gonna need the following indicators. It's gonna be the ADX and the Kelton channel, and it is guys. And what is remarkable, we don't change anything. We keep the settings as they are, and the only thing I am gonna do is to change the color of the moving average. So just for comfort for me guys, and the plus D is gonna be green and the red D is gonna be red. And what is about the strategy? Look guys, we got several signals to pay attention, and first of all we look at the ADX and we are gonna watch the dynamics of the moving average. Also we are gonna watch the touch of the lower and upper boundaries of the Kelton channel. Also, when the price enters the channel, we are gonna play out all these guys. So we are gonna pay attention to the support and resistance zones, updating of the local highs and local lows. Well, and that will do. All the currency pairs haven't peaked, and there are $167 on the balance, and we trade for all the money on a 1 minute time frame as usual. And let's get started. Let's open a long positions right away. I'm gonna explain the principle. So the first thing to notice is that the plus line is at the bottom and we expect a little pullback to the upside. Also, I wanna say that the price hit the support zone here and we see the pullback here, and then some upward dynamics. The price entered the channel, after which the price broke through the channel here and broke the channel to the downside, and we expecting the pullback, and then the price should come back inside the channel again, and basically the correction should be over by now. At least a small pullback will definitely happen. And yep, we perfectly calculated the position entry, and let's continue our trading session. Let's open a short position guys. I think we got a perfect trade entry level, and we observe the reversal on the ADX. A small correction should take place, and basically the moving average are in the upper area. Previously there was a strong upward movement and the price broke through the upper boundary of the channel, and a small correction should follow up. Also take a look at this resistance zone, and it's very likely that the rebound will happen. At least a small correction should take place, and we count on that guys. Probably the price is gonna retain this upper boundary of the Kelton channel. Let's see guys. And yep, our position having closed on profits, and there are $556 on the balance. Let's update the trade amount and let's continue our trading session. Let's open a short position here. We caught a nice trade entry level guys. First of all, we see the crossing of the plus and minus moving average on the ADX, and the plus line should move down a little bit. There was a strong upward dynamics here, and strong pullback did happen, after which we see the touch of the upper boundary of the channel, and the false breakout has happened. And because we see this week, and now we are expecting the price to move lower inside the channel again, a small correction should happen, even according to logic. Also, I wanna pay attention to this important resistance zone. We see the rejection here and there, and now it's not gonna be an exception. And yep guys, our position is in a profit. As you can see, the red candle has evenly showed up and we got almost $700. Unfortunately, this currency pair has a low payout rate. Anyway, we are in the profits, and let's continue our trading session. Let's open a short position. We observe strong bullish impulse here. We caught a perfect level here. I wanna bring to your attention the crossing of the moving average on the ADX. They are heading upwards, but now we expect some downward dynamics. A plus line should go into correction, and also we see that the price broke out of the channel here, and previously there was a strong upward dynamics, after which a small correction did happen, and then this pullback again, and the local high was updated. And by the way, here is important resistance zone, and the downward trend should be continued. As simple as that guys. That's why we opened the short here. And yep, as you can see, our position had been closed on profits, and there is no stopping here. Let's continue our trading session. So let's open a long position, guys. First of all, there is the crossing of the moving average on the ADX and the reversal should take place. Previously, there was this downward dynamics after which a pullback should happen. Also, the price broke through the lower boundary of the Kelvin channel, and also here we have the strong support zone, and then a small pullback is likely to happen and the price is gonna come back inside the channel. And our position is in the profits, the price enters the channels again, exactly as I predicted, and we got $2,000 on the balance. Let's continue. Let's open two short positions here. This currency pairs has a good payout rate. If we look at the ADX, we see the growth of the moving average, so we expect to see the reversal, and basically we observe the sideways trend on the chart in this zone to be exact, and the trend is identified. So here is the touch of the upper boundary of the channel did happen, and correction should take place now, and the price is gonna continue this sideways movement. Our position have been closed in profits, however one position end up with zero. It doesn't matter, no big deal, let's continue. Let's open our long positions here. And let's see guys, first of all we see that the minus line is almost at the top and the plus line is at the bottom, and these things should be fixed. The correction to the upside should happen after all, and there was this huge dump. The price broke through the lower boundary of the channel and the price started going down. So after which the support level played out and there were several rebounds in the past, and the same thing is gonna happen now and the pullback should happen, and let's see guys. And yep, our position have been closed in profits. No time to waste, let's continue our training session. I think it makes sense to open a short here guys. I think we got lucky here. We caught a great entry level, and first of all we see that the ADX moving average is at the bottom and there was the crossing of the plus and minus lines, and then we should definitely observe some downward dynamics in the short term. We see more sideways movement in the zone, and you can see the sideways, and here is the false breakout from the Kelvin channel, after which we should see the correction to the downside. Actually, the touch took place here and there, and the correction followed up every time. So let's see guys. And there we go, our positions have been closed in profits. Let's open our final position. Let's open our short positions guys. We got a great entry level here, lucky for us. And take a look at the reversal on the ADX. The ADX moving average is at the peak level now and the correction is gonna happen. So also the minus line is at the bottom and this should be fixed. The downward dynamics should take place, and I suppose the price reach the support level and then the price should go into correction, as simple as that guys. So let's see guys. Our positions are in profits and I've got $12,000 on the balance, and let's withdraw the money. I'm gonna withdraw $12,700 to my Bitcoin wallet, and I'm gonna put down the code. And there we go, our transaction is being processed. I'll touch the screen as usual. So hope you understood how to use this strategy guys. This one is simple as always. Thanks for watching, good luck and trading, bye bye.